Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable lecturer and fellow classmates. My name is Aditya Wainugroho and my student ID is 152500041. Today, I'm going to present my final project based on two international IT journals. The topic of my presentation is the impact of UI/UX design on visual ergonomics and user loyalty. Let's start the introduction. Why did I choose this topic? Today, user interface and user experience or UI/UX act as a main bridge between human and computer. In the past, people thought about UI/UX was just about making an application look beautiful or aesthetic. But that is not longer true. Modernizing visual language is actually a core engineering requirement. Good design solves real and hard problems. It makes systems safer to use, it reduces human error, and it ensures that users do not feel stressed when operating complex software. Okay, to understand this better, let's look at the first article. The title is The Impact of UI/UX Design on Visual Ergonomics, a technical approach for reducing human error in industrial settings. It was written by Anil Vizcara and his team, and published by MDPI Journal Design in 2026. The main objective of this research is to see how ergonomics principles in UI/UX can improve human and computer interaction. Basically, it investigates how good visual layout can actually stop humans from making dangerous mistakes when they work in critical environments. Let's dive into the detail of Article 1. The research used a systematic literature review, or SLR method, analyzing the 20 selected papers from the Scopus database. The findings were amazing. They found that systems that fully applied visual ergonomics saw frequent human error drop dramatically to just 60.7%. Furthermore, users could finish complete text 20 to 60% faster. The conclusion here is clear. Visual ergonomics is not an extra feature. It is a mandatory technical requirement to build safe, reliable digital system and capable to reducing mistake by up to 70%. Okay, now let's move to the second article, which look at UI/UX from a completely different perspective. The title is Analysis of the Impact of UI/UX Element on User Satisfaction and Loyalty, an empirical study on the Tokopedia platform. This was written by Anissa Triana Talmera and her team, published in Journal of Social Research in 2025. The objective of this study is to analyze if good UI/UX directly create loyal users. It explores a very interesting concept, the mediating of role of user satisfaction between the design and long-term customer loyalty. Okay, how did they conduct this research? They use a quantitative approach, giving an online questionnaire to 150 active Tokopedia users. The data was analyzed by using a method called a PLS-SEM. The main finding is very unique. Yes, UI/UX have a positive and significant effect to user satisfaction. However, they found that UI and UX do not directly affect user loyalty. The entire influence of the design is fully channeled through the user satisfaction. In conclusion, satisfaction is a crucial strategic brick. The investment in UI/UX improvement are totally useless for the loyalty if they do not genuinely satisfy the user first. Now let's compare both articles. For similarity, both studies successfully proved that specialized in UI/UX design is fundamental engineering necessity. Not just a digital pane, the visual interface directly dedicates wherever a system success or fail. For the differences, Article 1 uses a literature review to examine physical safety and error reduction industry. Meanwhile, Article 2 uses a quantitative survey to measure emotional satisfaction and business loyalty in e-commerce. Which article is more useful for me? I believe Article 1 is more useful. It connects beautiful design with real, hard engineer with number. It proves that clear layout are critical use that can reduce human error by 70%. Okay, so finally, my reflection to this assignment is what new knowledge did I gain? I learned that visual ergonomics is vital to prevent mistakes when users in a hurry. I also learned that in digital e-commerce, a smooth interface must cross the emotional bridge of the satisfaction before users become loyal. I learned several important IT vocabulary today, such as systematic literature review, visual ergonomic, PLSSEM, and full meditation variable. To apply this in real life, whenever we develop application in the future, creating a highly functional front-end interface is a mandatory. It keeps workers safe in complex environment and guarantee customer retention in business. Okay, that brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I would be happy to answer any question from the lecturer or my classmate. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.